In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Xbox controller not working. And so let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is check the basics. Make sure that batteries are charged or use a good quality cable. Also turn on your Xbox or PC, try another USB port or cable and check for any physical damage. If none of it is that case, then you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your Xbox or PC. This can help fix many temporary glitches. Also, make sure the USB cable is securely connected, or if it is wireless, just press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and head into your Xbox settings and then devices and connections and accessories, controllers, and update it. Also, turn off your controller, press and hold the pair button and press the pair button on your Xbox and wait for the Xbox button to stop blinking. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try connecting your Xbox controller to another Xbox and try checking it. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and press and hold the pair button and eject button for 10 seconds at the same time, which resets the controller. Also, you can disconnect all accessories like hubs, adapters, extenders, and connect the controller directly. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and factory reset your controller, as I already mentioned right over here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.